In this video, I'll show you how to connect Gmail to Zapier. First, sign into your Zapier account and open the Zapier dashboard. Next, create a new Zap or open an existing one where you want to use Gmail. After that, choose Gmail as the trigger app or action app, depending on what you're trying to automate. Now, when Zapier asks you to connect an account, click Sign in to Gmail. Next, select the Google account you want to connect and sign in if prompted. After that, review the permissions Zapier requests and click Allow to authorize the connection. Now, wait a few moments while Zapier connects your Gmail account. Next, test the connection to make sure Zapier can access your Gmail account successfully. After that, continue configuring your automation by selecting the Gmail trigger or action you want to use. Finally, save your Zap and turn it on so the automation can start working. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Gmail to Zapier. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.